Hi everyone, my name is Najia Yusof and I am your trainer from the Biztrak Business Solutions Sdn Bhd. Welcome to the Biztrak Online Cloud Accounting course for beginners. This course is designed to provide you with the fundamental knowledge and skills needed to utilize Biztrak Online, a cloud-based accounting software tailored for small and medium enterprise. In this course, our primary goal is to provide you with the essential knowledge and skills to apply fundamental accounting principles utilizing Biztrak Online. By the end of this course, you should be proficient in navigating Biztrak Online, executing basic accounting functions, recording a transaction, generating comprehensive reports, and interpreting financial statements to inform strategic decision-making. To ensure a smooth learning experience, please make sure you have access to a computer with internet connection. Biztrak Online is a cloud-based accounting software specifically designed for small and medium enterprise as well as startups. It offers a comprehensive range of modules and features that provide real-time access to your financial data from any device with an internet connection. This makes Biztrak Online not only cost-effective but also secure and hassle-free. Throughout this course, you will learn how to set up your company within the software, generalize transactions, produce accurate financial statements, and analyze your business performance to gain valuable insight. Our course is structured into 6 comprehensive chapters, each focusing on specific aspects of Biztrak Online. We will commence with an introduction to the software fundamental in Chapter 1, covering essential setup procedure and data importation. Subsequently, Chapter 2, Customer Invoice, will teach you how to manage invoicing and account receivable efficiently. Chapter 3 will explore the purchase cycle, guiding you the steps in managing purchases and account payable. In Chapter 4, Bank Reconciliation is the focus where you will master reconciling bank statements to ensure accuracy. Chapter 5 addresses fixed asset, guiding you on managing fixed asset and depreciation within the software. Finally, Chapter 6 introduces the concept of Key Performance Indicator, KPI, and the dashboard, helping you to analyze business performance through the utilization of KPI and the Biztrak dashboard. Each chapter builds on the previous one, ensuring a holistic understanding of Biztrak Online. Ready to take your accounting skill in the next level? The Biztrak Online course for beginners is your gateway to mastering the tools you need for success in today's business world. Subscribe now and let's dive into cloud accounting together. Because your journey to becoming a proficient accounting starts here. Don't wait, join us and start this journey together.